Again, these are just ripped down on the angle, so what is it, 12 pieces I normally work with. Rip down and rip down parallel, and each piece gets a spline put in it, which is Quila, and then you wrap all them together with wiring ties, plastic ties, and then you turn it. This just happens to be this diameter where the black line is slightly over 80 millimeters, so it's actually quite handy because you can hold this as well in the 80mm chucks and not leave a mark, not unless you inspect it with a magnifying glass. So that allows you to do that. Put that in the bottom, and that becomes, I guess, reasonably effective. Just before it does that last cut, so you've got to sand that off, just on sanding board, and then you stick, you glue up the 3 pieces together like that, rubber bands, let that go off, and then just get rid of all the burrs on the edges, and then you put them together in the group of 7. So no rubber bands then, and it looks like that. Follow.
Show it to the camera, that's probably easier.
You get right up to it.
And then you've got these pieces around the outside, so you can probably border them with something else, maybe puri would be quite nice, and that fills in the gap. And they are 3D. You could put it in the top as well if you wanted to and put a finial in it, but this has got a finial, this has just got, yeah, that's just got a piece of puri and a piece of probably Quila again, because Quila's pretty cheap. And becomes, I think, quite a, sweet looking barrel. No?
Yeah.
Yes.
Very good.
When you get back to these, the stick work being that, it's this long. This was one done. So I'll probably just, that'll hold in the chuck, make it round and just part them off, or hand saw them through halfway if you want to keep it thin, and just pull the last little bit off, stick them in something. So that's probably about all I'll do or cover for stick work, I think. The glue used, Type Bond 3. There's Type Bond 1, 2 and 3. 3 is the best. So you might as well use 3.
Green one.
Hmm?
The green,
It's a green one, yeah.
green one.